Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Chandana, pursuing 4th semester in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering at Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Subject Biology for Engineers with the subject code BB0K407, and today I am going to discuss about the topic Art as a Pump System. Now let us see the introduction of human heart. Human heart is four-chambered muscular organ. The human heart is very strong and is capable of pumping blood up to 30 feet distance. An average heart beats maximum of 70 to 80 beats per minute and is considered healthy. The heart is called double pump because each side pumps blood to the different circulation. Now let us see the pathway of deoxygenated blood. From body, it passes to the superior or inferior vena cava and passes to right atrium, then tricuspid valve and right ventricle, pulmonary valve and pulmonary arteries, and finally reaches to the lungs. Now let us see the pathway of oxygenated blood. From the lungs, it passes to the pulmonary veins and left atrium and mitral valve and passes through the left ventricle and aorta and finally reaches to the all parts of the body. Now let us see the key function of heart as a pump system. So this is the vertical section of the human heart. It has four chambers: right atrium, right ventricle and left ventricle. So these are the parts of the human heart. Now let us see the function of heart: generating pressure to move blood, maintaining blood flow, regulating blood volume, ensuring unidirectional flow. The heart's valves prevent the backflow of blood, ensuring it move in a single direction, and coordinating with the vascular system and integrating with the endocrine system. This is the anatomy of heart. The heart is responsible for pumping blood throughout the body and delivering the oxygen and nutrients to cells and removing waste products. Now let us see the architectural feature of the heart. The heart has unique architecture with thick walls of composed of cardiac muscle tissue. Walls within the heart ensure the blood flows in the correct direction, preventing backflow. The coronary arteries supply the heart muscle with oxygen-rich blood, supporting its continuous function. Now let us see the function of fourth chamber of heart. Right atrium, deoxygenated blood that is low in oxygen from the body enters to the right atrium. This blood is under low pressure. Right ventricle, blood passes into right ventricle which contracts to pump blood to the lungs where the blood is oxygenated. Left atrium, oxygenated blood which is high in oxygen from the lungs enter to the left atrium. This blood is still under low pressure. Left ventricle. Oxygenated blood enters the large left ventricle which contracts very hard to push blood into the aorta. The left ventricle is very thick and generates high pressure to pump the blood around the whole body. This is how the internally heartbeats looks like. Electrical signal, that is ECG monitoring and heart related issues. ECG monitoring. Expansion of ECG. Electrocardiography is a method used to record the electrical activity of the heart. ECG monitoring helps in diagnosing various heart conditions by analyzing the pattern of electrical signals. The basics of electrical signals in the heart. The heart's electrical system controls the heartbeat by producing and conducting electrical signals. The sinoatrial, that is SA node, generates the electrical impulse which then travels to the atria and ventricles. The ECG graphically represents this electrical signal as waves and intervals. Components of ECG. ECG uses the grid system to visualize the electrical activity of our heart. The grid has two axes, that is horizontal and vertical. The P wave represents atrial depolarization. The P represents the atrial depolarization and QRS represents the ventricle depolarization, and the T wave indicates ventricular repolarization. Importance of ECG monitoring and the future of ECG monitoring. ECG monitoring is crucial for early detection of heart condition and helps in monitoring the effectiveness of heart medication and treatments. Advancement in wearable ECG devices allow continuous monitoring outside healthcare settings. Artificial intelligence is being used to analyze ECG data for more accurate and faster diagnosis. Let us see the heart related issues. Heart disease is a term that covers condition affecting the heart structure and function. Common types of heart diseases include coronary artery disease, heart failure, and arrhythmias. Arrhythmias is nothing but it is an issue in the rate of heartbeats. Let us see some diseases, that is coronary artery diseases, hypertension, heart failure, and arrhythmias. Reasons for blockage in blood vessels. So what is the cause of blockage of blood vessels? So generally the blood flow is obstructed due to external factors like calcium deposition, plaque formation, or the presence of dead cells that precipitate near the walls. All these are credited to improper diet and lack of exercise, obesity. Reasons for blockage of blood vessels: obesity, diabetes, high blood pressure, smoking, high cholesterol, blood clots, and heart attacks. Food that clear the blocked blood vessel: 6 artery cleansing foods for healthy heart, omega-3 fatty acid, garlic, pomegranate, nicotine, turmeric, and vitamin C. How we can reduce this blockage naturally: do not smoke or use tobacco, limit or do not drink alcohol, control blood pressure, cholesterol, and diabetes, exercise and stay active, maintain a healthy weight, and get 7 to 9 hours of sleep daily. Design of stains. Function: stains are small expandable tubes used to open up narrowed or blocked blood vessels, often used in coronary arteries. So this is how the stains looks like. So this is placed in the blood vessels. Design consideration. Material: biocompatibility is crucial. Common materials include stainless steels and cobalt chromium alloys. So alloys is nothing but the both the mixture of metals and the non-metals are used in the manufacture of stains. And the structure: the stain must be strong and flexible. It is often designed in mesh pattern to provide support and allow for expansion. Pacemakers. Pacemakers are electronic devices that regulate heartbeats by sending electrical impulses to the heart. So as you can see in the picture, this is the pacemaker, so which is inserted to the human heart. So this regulate the heartbeats. Design or consideration: power source: long lasting and reliable batteries are essential. Lithium and iodine batteries are commonly used in manufacture of pacemakers. Circuit design: the miniatured and low power electronic to regenerate and regulate the electrical impulses. LEDs and electrode: LEDs must be biocompatible and durable and capable of conducting electrical impulses effectively. They must be securely attached to the heart tissue. Defibrillators deliver a high energy shock to the heart to treat life threatening arrhythmias such as ventricular fibrillation. Design consideration: energy storage capacitors for rapid charge and discharge cycles to deliver shocks. The capacitors are used because the capacitor which stores the charges. Detection algorithms: advanced algorithm to accurately detect arrhythmias and determine the shock timings. Arrhythmias is nothing but the rhythm or the rate of heartbeats. Electrode designed for efficient energy transfer while minimizing tissue damage. And durability: highly reliable to function correctly over extended periods. So these devices require continuous innovation and improvement to enhance their performance effectively and patient's outcome. Collaboration between engineers, medical professionals, and regulatory bodies is essential in the development process. I hope you understand the concept of art as a pump system, and thank you for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Once again, thank you.